I'm here at the beach. I'm with my lovely wife, and we've got some snacks and some drinks, and we're going to enjoy them, and we're going to enjoy them even more because they're elevated off the sand off this nice handy table. I love this table. I take it with me everywhere. It's not only great for the beach, but it's great for parks. It's even great at the house. Once in a while, we just need an extra little table. I set it up. It doesn't take much to set it up. It's sturdy, and there's so many different uses you can use for it. It comes in a case, and it's very, very easy to cart around. I'm going to show you right now just how easy it is to put it together. Note the handy carrying case. It's got a handle on it, and it fits really nicely into the trunk of your car or in the back seat. Let's put it together.